Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering required originals and copies, Caste Certificate, ID, and address. Once assembled, fill the specific application form and draft an affidavit explaining the change. Make sure to obtain community or school records that support the claim. They explain why the update is valid. Then go to the local Revenue or Social Welfare Office website and download any supplementary forms or note the in-person submission requirements. This immediate preparation speeds the rest of the process. Now submit the filled form with all attachments and the affidavit at the designated office or online portal. You want a receipt. Once submitted, pay the processing fee and note the reference number. Expect verification. An officer may visit or call for documents or witness statements. Be ready with contactable witnesses from your community or institution. If a hearing is scheduled, bring originals and copies, and calmly explain the factual basis for the caste update so the verifier can record it accurately. You will receive the updated caste certificate by post or collection. Inspect it immediately for errors in name, caste, or dates. Once done, update your other records like school, employer, and bank to reflect the change. If the office rejects your application, carefully read the reason, collect the missing evidence, and file an appeal or review request within the stated timeframe. One tip: retain certified copies and the acknowledgement number to resolve delays or discrepancies quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.